What you looking at this morning, Amajama? Got anything you're watching specifically?
Yeah, the meta continuation. We're back testing yesterday's high, so I want to kind of see us back test that and then pop. I'm watching NVIDIA at about 213.30, and then I'm watching Google just to see if we create a higher low here. We have the last 4 days, and see if we get a pop off that. So those are the three I'm kind of watching.
Yeah, Meta freaking ripped yesterday. That was a crazy move. Finally got out of that daily consolidation. It was stuck in there for a while. Now we're testing that gap. We're half gap on that. Oh, we're at it, I think. Almost. 640.52 is what I have for half gap on the Meta. Probably catch some continuation into that today.
Agreed.
Wow, this looks like a short right in the open here. Down to VWAP.
NVIDIA put in a little rich stick in the print.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a short.
Agreed, right at POC. We go shelf to shelf.
Set up for long.
That's like 990s. I'm not gonna enter, so I don't get whipped. But yeah,
I'm leaving. Winner doer thing.
One thing I realize is there's nothing to lose from being patient. You know, I used to have in my head like I'll be done trading by 10:30, but it's like one day I remember I woke up at 10:30 because I didn't feel like trading, and I was like, oh, look at it, and I ended up having a great day. So
I feel like, especially as a new trader, you get in this mindset thinking like the market moves so good this one day that it can't do that possibly again. When the reality is we get moves every fucking day, man. So there's always another day to trade.
Always. We are negative gamma on, I'm looking at gold, that's why it looks weird. We're negative gamma on gold, we're positive on NQ.
Look at that. Nice green candle opening up.
Yes.
Yep.
Not popping yet.
YM dump, same with RTY.
Come on, send it down.
NQ taking out the Asia high again.
Good morning, Spaces crew.
Morning, sir. ES dropping.
170 target hit on coin. I trimmed the puts.
Hey.
Love that short.
Where's Will? Is Will here?
Will's here.
I'm right here. How about that eBay? Dude, you crushed it on that, bro.
Minus over 3% yesterday, and the 110's about to go in the money right now. Insane. I was like, dude, no one else trades this name, but it's always going to be a banger.
Actually, yeah, eBay is actually when it rips, it's a very clean move on that stock. I don't trade it enough. I'm watching
Yes,
Google
very weak here.
389.25 on Google. I'm watching and NVIDIA here right at like this 213.75. Watching both of those levels here for upside probability. Not chasing in the screen candle, of course, but the setups are setting. And then
Setups are setting.
Meta did backtest yesterday's high a day at market open, and now it's trying to push above it. We'll see if that can hold for continuation.
Let's see.
There we go, this continuation. Give me a little bit more.
I don't think Meta's done, personally, but might not be today.
There you go, I'm trailing my stop now. I got hit.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for this 3-minute candle to close.
AMD getting a nice ripper out of Gate, NVIDIA with a pop as well.
I re-entered it up there and I just took it off again, so I'm chilling now. I took care of that pretty recently.
Just chilling here still.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see if we're gonna put some structure in here, if we are gonna accept below. It seems like we're gonna be bouncy around 60s. Other indexes are already catching green off the low.
I might go long here if we hold this pivot break. I don't know though. Close below the pivot break. Damn.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine at 60s. I might have rushed that a little bit, but it's okay. Still can't avoid green.
Yeah, exactly. ES aboard the struggle bus right now. I think NQ's falling behind.
Yeah, I did rush. All right.
This is overnight VWAP on ES right here.
eBay,
Yep.
110 call or 110 puts, excuse me, in the money. Yay. I wanted to say that yesterday, but it never hit. It got close.
PLTR crazy. What are our listeners saying? 2%ish. Palantir's just been chopping around 1/3 for a while. I still own it. I think it doubles from here, but I'm biased.
Dude, MGC, NQ, and ES all looking like identical. It's crazy.
Took a small NVIDIA call position. This is incredibly high risk.
Heard that.
Heard that.
She's popping. Coming into 30 beans right here. Actually, not that much gamma added. It's a little in too short, yeah.
Wow, look at that, dude.
Heard that out.
Slapped.
NQ smacked down, bro.
Schmackalaki.
Yes. At the bottom of this 15-minute gap now.
You don't hold the beans.
If we really lose that 525 area on ES here, I could see that one in session low, but NQ is still holding strong. And this is still an area of significance for the bulls to hold, so
Yeah, exactly.
We did pop about 90 cents to $1.14, but it's already fallen back. I did not trim. I'm not looking to trim it 2 minutes into a trade, but
Yeah.
it's certainly, it held really well with that pullback. So we'll see if we get continuation. I'm kind of looking for a trim around 215, 214.90.
SPRC side structure. Striker. $13.09 on SPRC.
trying to break 30. RTY briefly made a new low.
I'm just watching.
A little over 30% here. Even with the delay, you should be up about 20% at least. It's never a bad idea to take a little bit of risk off in case we don't push through.
Good stuff.
Got a bit of gamma come in on the 30 beams level. Yeah, I'm gonna reshort it here.
Yeah, I'm in an NQ short right now. Just waiting for it to break this pivot. Trying to scale out.
30,001.
Yeah, I'm looking to jump out one contract once we break the low.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Give it to me.
10 points. I'm gonna go break even. Come on, break 85.
All right, scaled out. Moving stop to break even.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's at the very bottom of this gap.
I took it off right there. Just a little
Yeah, I'm just
small.
waiting for VWAP now for another TP.
A 5-minute candle about to open.
Out one.
There we go. There's that break. Come on.
There she is. Good job, fellas.
Yeah,
Thank you.
out.
Good job, Alan.
Still between 20-30% on the video. I like that it's holding up well even when NQ's getting some down style candles, but I am going to set the stop loss at like 25% red, so break even overall on the trade, just so even if we start to pull back, zero risk on the trade.
Love it.
Thank you coming in for the walk. Everything else below it already.
There we go. Come on.
We're still drilling. Yes,
Let's see what
Edge
Okay.
trying. Edge trying.
But yeah, bounce at 63.
Yeah, I just got long
I'm
here
not
at
too sure
66.
again.
Nice.
I tried
All
it.
out. 60-point gain. NQ.
I'm trying to long here at
Nice.
66. We'll see if that works or not.
That's 10 points, break even. Damn, I got taken out break even. All right. I'm gonna sit in my hands for a while now.
I mean,
10 o'clock data.
61,000 expected.
New home sales, and Trump is going to be speaking, doing some interview.
Looking for it to get back into 980 plus, get a trim there. See if we could do that. Got a lot of stuff here at 958 to 965. That's why I went long. Come on, get over at 980. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. No.
Yeah.
Bastard.
RCY still dump it.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. YM's trying to bounce and hold, but RTY looks rough.
I covered some here. I mean, I trimmed some here. I trimmed some here.
Nice.
Corporation, Potential Profit Charlie.
Get him not.
Nice, getting some strength on ES.
Back testing the overnight VWAP in your session here. Net together right here, so.
Yeah, so we can be whopping in Q.
It'd be quite bullish if we ran through this to the upside, but I don't expect that here. Unless they really
Yeah.
go in.
If we hold 05, might see a big push. She wants lower.
Okay, got all out there. Nice little like 20-point scalp.
To work.
Let's do this.
Yeah, we did flip short on 10 minutes EDC, and we're below EMA 20 on 10 minute, and we're below VWAP technically, but I don't know how I feel about this short. Depends on VWAP here. If we hold VWAP pretty well, I might
Okay,
actually end up
low.
longing.
Minute to 950s.
This might be a big push down.
Yeah, look at NQ.
Gold still holding 3-minute EMAs very well.
IWM RTY the weakest out of the gate. Q's is pushing down a little bit right here. SPY and ES actually holding up the best out of the three.
Mm-hmm.
15-minute candle looks mad.
Let me try the short again.
SPY is in a 1 hour squeeze right now. The main thing right now with SPY is around that 748 area, and then above you 752. This is kind of the box that we're trapped in. Your midpoint is right here, kind of overall, just around the 750 area.
Catching a bit of a bounce now.
Microsoft is absolutely ripping.
Oh,
Micro hard. Yeah, there is the daily trend line that it's holding right now that looks really good.
that.
VWAP's kind of holding here, dude.
Yeah. Looks like we're going down.
Yeah, no, 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes looking weak. Looks like we are going down.
Yeah,
You want
Q's.
this whole thing to the
I say,
downside, yeah.
if you want to go short anything, I think Q's is going to be the way to go.
Gold ripping right now. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, still getting good reactions from the shorts off VWAP.
Oh, my portfolio is so wrecked right now. Oh my God. Bitcoin just shredding my portfolio right now.
Fuck.
Yeah.
It's like my
Yeah,
prop firm
Amazon
portfolio
is
looks so
really-
much better than my actual portfolio.
Boy needs some SPY.
Yeah, honestly, dude. I mean, the only thing looking good is my COID. My COID ETF holdings are fantastic,
Oh yeah.
but everything else is just red.
Amazon is like the inverse of Microsoft right now. Microsoft is just nothing but green candles up. Amazon is straight red candles down. Looking ugly with a capital fug.
Jumped in short at 42.
Nice, I was waiting for 46. I didn't get it. You have a ticket right here.
Microsoft just on a move. Stock's now up over 2% this morning.
Ooh.
Just ripped straight through 420.
I think we get a little pop here. And then Q.
Poppity pop. Pop it. Tuesday. Listed.
Pull it. Jinx.
That's the market makers every day.
Right. Yeah.
Short it. Pop it. Dare you. Short it. Twist it.
Meta's back testing yesterday's high a day. We'll see if we can get that.
Coming
Obviously,
slowly.
Nice.
NVIDIA, the break even close on that.
Amazon is, I think, kind of
Took it off. I'm flat.
that's not helping Q's at all.
Nice.
Q's is weak.
Yeah,
as shit.
Nvidia's not either. Good
Yeah.
catch here though.
Yeah, NVIDIA shit out for sure.
Yeah, the only thing moving is Microsoft. Meta is slightly green. Apple slightly green. Everything else is red. Amazon is now down 1.5%.
Let's chill out for a minute.
All out.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put this on mute for a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Hold on, join back. Move, listen. Okay. Nice bounce. And I'm going to take a short here. There we go. I'm already up 20 points. Oh, 25 points. And we're going to flatten that. Okay, I'm just waiting to be let back on.
According to the Wall Street Journal, federal regulators surface transportation.
Oh, honestly, come back test the change in the state you just made.
Specifics are on books. $71.5 billion merger as
It's up news in 5.
Yeah, watch out for that. New home sales.
Oh yeah, there's new home sales in 5 minutes.
MSC, November Sierra Charlie.
Okay. While I was away for a second, I had a nice short there at like 995, I think.
I think if you've already been in longs, holding it in the new home sales isn't a bad thing. I would.
I'm up an even amount of dollars right now, like no pennies, so I kind of just want to stop.
Yeah.
Conference says that
The goal should be
Feel bad.
$690 or $6,900. That's what the goal should be.
straight up from news.
Mamma mia.
Or 420. That's be 420 or 69.
That sounded good or better. Oh, you won't believe my total for the day. 694.20.
Oh my god, Ondis, bro. Ondis is ripping.
If you've been long going into new home sales, I like it for the hold. My stop would be at break even or have the S&T lows that we have. Low a day.
Over 3% on the day. That's for people
Who
are
I get
CL.
3 minutes.
Oscar.
I don't like to trade into data like, a freaking like Donald Trump coming out with a random ass headline, but new home sales, something we know is coming out into 10 o'clock. Data does not change the direction of the market. It only fulfills what it was already going to do.
Northrop is at a conference right now. I'll deep dive it and post whatever is interesting from it later.
Solid. Back testing 30K here. Thank you.
I did it with
Yep.
Lockheed yesterday. Nothing that crazy. Three beans.
Casey, the POV of your car. It looks great. I bet that feels awesome.
Dude, I'm going to the gym every morning now just so I have a reason to drive it. It's incredible.
By the way, so Casey, is it tight?
Look at that thing
got him
in the gym. Let's go.
It must have been the one I was in then.
Hood. Trim. Oh!
Oh.
Film me, motherfuckers. They filmed me. Stops at entry.
News on head.
I have no idea, but I can tell you right now, I sniped the fucking low of that.
Oh, sticking.
Oh, is Hood pumping right now? Oh my
Hood
goodness.
is absolutely pumping off that low, baby.
Oh my goodness. 5% range. Me.
Oh my god.
This is
Holy shit.
Now's ripping, going to that 110, 112.
The individuals are looking impeccable right now. I'm surprised I'm at the news. It's a moon though. I'm gonna chill out a little bit more. Let this data come out.
Honestly, I had the craziest edge of my stop loss this morning.
I just got filled on Hood at 300 on the contract, so I'm out half.
Good work.
I don't know what this candle is, but that's incredible.
Get home sales in a few seconds, take it higher.
I bet it does.
And then I gap.
I don't have anything on right now, but it just makes sense.
61,000 estimate.
622,000. Much lower than the 661,000 forecast. And into a new high a day. Again, data does not change the direction of the market. It fulfills what it was already going to do. You identify that correctly, you don't have to be worried about that 10 o'clock data. You're going to be excited for it. It's going to be volatility that's going to go in your favor. Bang.
Bang.
And just because we're talking about homes now, I saw the other day that the Google Trends for the Google Trends searches for help with my mortgage at an all-time high.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, not ideal.
Yeah, that's not great.
I trim now up $400 a contract.
Let's go.
And full target on standard deviation, dude. Oh my god.
Look at that. Dude, Maple's such a savage, bro. He shorted that MQ wick, that green wick. Oh my god.
Sure. Oh, an NQ, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like,
He just took profit. He shorted it at like the top there at like 18 or 19.
What a freaking savage. 19 was the high. That's wild.
If you took Microsoft up a couple 100% here, oh my god. Absolute ripping. Stock's at 3.5% now.
Vance, my boy. You know it, brother.
I think we're heading lower, Jordan. I don't know.
But I'm coming up as well.
I mean, my target's hit, so sure. I'm watching ES also, though, and ES is beautiful. Tapping back into this hourly gap, though, so it could be a spot for short to step back in. Full standard deviation is hit from these lows.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm chilling out at these.
I think there's news on Hood. I think it's a Trump pump.
4 hour looks weak.
Hood launches its official Trump accounts app, now available to download. Eligible children born through 2025 through 2028 can receive a $1,000 initial contribution from the U.S.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go, Hood.
Banger, dude.
I did just trim out some more. What a ripper.
Fine. Banger.
Oh, I knew I should have shorted there, bro. Come on.
I wanted to.
Market can do whatever the hell it wants now.
I want to buy, but I want to sell, so probably do nothing. Just wait.
Reminder for everybody out there trading Apex, you guys can now get accounts with no activation fee. 5 of them are $345 for the 50K. 20 accounts will cost you about $1,300, cheaper than any of the other opportunities we've had with Apex in the past. It's huge. No activation fees is crazy. You can still have 20 of them. Code WolfX on Apex through the link up top.
Let's go.
Insane that they did that.
We're just chopping around new one.
Yep. Chopperoni.
I mean, POC. Noisy action.
Into the open, we set it, had that 15-minute gap below us, overnight VWAP, wanted to see a drop to that, maybe test the bottom of the gap, which we ended up doing, got really close to my stop loss, and boom, boom, pow.
Wait, Jordan, you use stop losses? Come on, dude. We don't do that here.
I know, I'm a pussy, I know.
You got to watch that thing wick past like your mental stop loss and just like stone cold face holds that thing.
Bro. I ain't built for it.
Like a little tear comes out your eye. You're just watching it, like praying, just praying. I hate those scam wicks that get you out of the trade though. Like honestly, I stopped using stop losses on a lot of my trades. Like I have a mental stop loss obviously, but it's like I hate like getting like the crazy scam wick down and then it just comes right back up to your TP. I was like, you know what? I'm sick of this. Sick of hunting my orders
I don't know. Especially like trading so many accounts. Like, what happens when you enter and a fucking Trump tweet comes out and like mental stop loss, sure, but it's like that mental stop you can't even manage the position when we drop 200 points.
You just hold
second because Trump tweeted. You know, I can't put myself in a position where that can happen. I just can't. Not with the amount of accounts I'm trading. It's ignorant. I can't do it. Gotta have that line in the sand where I'm wrong. Definitively.
Oh, look at this green candle again. We're about to break that pivot. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes to close before I get another trade.
I'm just waiting right now.
We're struggling every time we tap back into this hourly spot from this morning.
Yeah, 15s to 20s. Doing a whole lot of nothing. Well, not really, but so many wicks that like it'll chop most of the candle and do the move.
WAP and the thunder of WAPs himself.
Good morning, you guys.
Morning, sir.
I just wanted to come on here real quick. There's 500 people here on here. Just want to say I've showed up every single freaking day for the past, I don't even know, 5 years now. I don't even know. And the amount of just information that you guys give to help new traders out, it's phenomenal. So if you're in the audience and you're not profitable yet, I promise you, if you stay in the game, you will learn the hard way or learn the easy way from everybody on here, and you will be profitable eventually. So I just want to just throw that out there.
Yes, sir.
I want to say thank you guys today. I just executed my biggest trade ever, and I'm like, dude, I'm over the freaking moon because I round trip. So I fucked up on this position twice, but now it did what I wanted it to do, and it's just I had a lot of confidence on this A+ setup, so I'm happy about it. I'm about to go to work, and I just wanted to say thank you guys again. You guys are awesome, and I'll be listening from the audience. Thanks,
Let's go. Wow. Appreciate you, bro. And congrats on the big trade. You just texted me. WAP just texted me like a week ago. I was like, I just made my biggest trade ever, and now he's doing it again. I love it, bro.
Great work, man.
Oh man, keep it up. Look at Ondas at 1290. Was it on Ondas?
Yeah, it was on this. I had 150. I had 155 contracts going into this.
Way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
I'm taking WAP out to dinner whenever he comes stay, man.
Hell yeah.
I gotta hang out with this guy.
Look, a lot of people haven't caught on to it yet, so I'll throw it on here. Ondas is not a drone company. They are much more than that, and it's kind of like a Palantir kind of. I don't know. I don't want to say it's like Palantir, but it has a lot of components like Palantir, and it's a space play, but nobody's caught on to it yet. So just an FYI. I don't know what we're protecting the stratosphere from, but it's a freaking space play. So yeah, but in terms of technicals, if this thing closes, there's a gap. Ondas doesn't like gaps, and they're going to raise, I guess, again, is what management said they're going to raise. So look out for that. If they raise, it'll dump, and then it'll recover. So if you want to add, if you want to join the position, that would be the time to do it once they raise. Yeah,
definitely.
All right, y'all have a good one. I have to go to work. I have to go do my regular job.
Go enjoy work. Hey,
yes, sir.
Have a great day, brother.
10 times better. When
I love my job, dude.
Isn't it amazing showing up knowing like I'm building something outside of this,
Yeah.
Like take care of me later on, and I just think that's huge, bro. It makes work way better. So
look, as a victim, I hate using the word victim, but as a victim of being laid off, it feels really good to be able to do this on the side. And if I get pissed off at whoever at work, I'd be like, well, fuck you guys, I'm out. And, but I love my job. But this is, that's the level you're on now.
It's the best thing, honestly. And I think WAP's doing it the right way because I don't know how much makes from his job and from trading, but none of that really matters. But he knows for a fact, like, he can provide for his family everything that he wants to do, the lifestyle he wants to live from either one or the other or from both. And when you get that financially secure from those multiple points of income and not solely focusing on just that one, honestly, it changes your emotional attachment to the money whenever you're trading, and it makes you a better trader because you're not solely just focusing and relying on just that one thing that's over here. So being able to still love your job and go do something else while you're doing this on the side, I think that makes you an overall better trader emotionally, and that's going to make you more money in the long run. So you're just profiting from both sides of the world, and I think it's the best thing anybody can do, man. I love it.
Hell yeah. You guys have a good one.
Hell yeah. You too, WAP.
Later, WAP.
Brother. Absolute goat. Oh, got a little choppy here on ES. What's the highs?
I'm in a condor here, like 500 points out each way, basically.
Yeah, I like that. Seems like a good move right now.
Side note, eBay's still dying.
You still short?
So when I took the 110s and the small account challenge at the same time, I actually took 105 puts for January 2027 in my main account. So I I just took my first trim yesterday on those 105s for January, and then I closed out the 110s completely in the small account this morning.
Ooh,
and I'm
NQ
riding these
popping.
105s down.
Yeah.
them, and we have 4 or 5 companies who want to.
Thank you, Iran.
Oh, I got call spreads up there.
So, I mean, what worst case scenario in 20, 30 minutes from now, Trump's going to say that he reviewed it and he denied it?
Yeah, and we come back to where we started. His 5
Yeah.
yes, yeah, come right back in. We've seen that 1,000 times. Also, all my targets have been hit. There's no other long targets. Like previous day high, all-time high is hit. Now we're back in price discovery mode. We need to create range. Like I don't have a reason for the market to go higher, but we know market can go very much higher. So, but no reason to press long here, in my opinion, unless you're just being a risk taker trying to play into all-time highs like a savage. I don't recommend. The long was there all morning. If you're trying to smack it now, it makes no sense. Like no, it's gone.
No.
No, yeah, just no. Yeah.
Down that 8880. Now it's starting briefly market again.
What just happened? Destiny.
Destiny. Oh, dude, my whole portfolio is still red.
I just love showing up. We're hanging out in pre-market and we give the exact sauce.
I'm down
Let me
so
show
bad
you
on
it.
my swing trade portfolio that pump didn't even like get me in the green.
Microsoft is getting the most flow out of anything right now. You have 435 calls coming in for June 26th. You have 440 calls coming in for June 26th. You have 430 calls coming in for tomorrow. Your degens are coming out to play right now. There's a lot of Microsoft flow coming in right now.
Bro, I can't get over, like, there's definitely times in the markets where, like, I know we kind of all trade differently, and like Casey, like a range day for you might be, it could be really good, whereas like for me most of the time it's really bad. But gosh, like I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but the past couple weeks has just been, the price delivery has been so clean on things.
I was talking about yesterday in the Discord. I said honestly, I was like, even with this market being at all-time highs, I was like, and having like the news and catalysts, always like waiting to come out, can happen at any point in time. I was like, I'll be honest with you guys, even during this kind of market, I was like, the price action and our execution, honestly, the last few weeks, it's been great. Like I've loved it so far. Like
we've had way worse at these times.
Yeah.
Way worse. I'm just like, this is great. And of course, it's going to matter on how you're trading. Like, everybody's going to trade a little differently. Certain environments might not be good for others. It just depends. But, like, I don't know. If you're, like, playing a little more trendy, I guess, and, like, I don't know, these lower time frame, like, just playing those breaks of structure, I guess you could say, is, I think it's just been so clean.
Yo, K-Diz.
Oh, yes, sir. What's up?
Check your Textilingus.
I should go see a doctor for that.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Oh my god, I just like exploded my back. Dude, it just like popped.
Our boy Stevie said the most fun part of working and trading is shorting your company while at work. Don't
That's
let
actually
them
really
hear,
funny.
Don't let them hear you. I say that.
Oh, the first part of your text message. Well, that's from 8:30 this morning. That's dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's stupid. What's this other one? Okay. Gotcha.
I wanted 155s to short, and I did not get it. Off by a point. Trade missed me. Trump asked for a few days to think about the deal.
Hey, that's like clockwork, bro. I mean, it's not bearish news, but I said he it was 20, 30 minutes. He's like, nah, I'll respond in 5. Fuck it, give me a few days. And then like
Undoubtedly the best Trump impression on the internet.
Shane Gillis?
No. No, this guy put Shane Gillis in the dungeon, bro.
No,
really?
No way.
Yeah, hey, he's an Asian guy. believe it or not.
Oh,
It's
that-
hilarious.
What's his name?
I'm trying to find it. Hold on, he's on TikTok.
I can probably Google Asian guy Trump impression.
Yeah. Like he's kind of a bigger set guy, and it is.
Yeah, I got him right here. His name is it's Chinese Trump.
Dude,
It's Ryan
watch
Chen.
that. Tell me he's
Ryan-
not the best.
Yeah, it's Ryan Chen is his name.
Mm-hmm.
He's got 2 million followers
Oh,
on was that TikTok or Instagram?
It's all he's known for.
I stopped out.
Oh my god, that's so good. Dude. You play one of his videos and just don't even look at the screen. Yeah, that's like spot on.
Okay, just vibing here. We are pushing higher. Talked about that possible long at 36,060. It basically got there. I sadly did not grab it because I'm a loser. We have an iron condor on. We have a call spread on. And we just opened a prop firm trade. We sold, if you are on the prop firm option spread account, we sold some QQQ condors there too. It looks like we're going to push higher. I mean, market's up 0.3%, up 100 points on NQ. Same thing for ES, SPX, 0.3%, 20 points there. Waiting to see. You got Microsoft really strong today. Meta's still climbing a little bit from yesterday. You got a lot of things actually green today. So definitely interesting to watch and see how the market reacts. Sandex is pushing while MU is actually taking a breather. Okay. So now we just wait. Okay, so just watching this and waiting to see. Yeah, we just wait and see. Okay, just waiting. Still just watching to see. We should break a new high. I don't know how much higher we're going to go today. I mean, again, it's just refurbished news over and over and over and over and over. Oh, I'm going to mute myself for a second while the dogs bark. Okay, we're still just chopping here, flagging. Let's see if we can break those highs. Still just waiting here.
With IB beta.
Treasury Secretary Besson said any willing partners in tolling in greater rules would be penalized. Actors involved in facilitating tolls for this period.
Rivian, $15 calls in the money.
Boom. If we do take out that IB high, data says we have an 87.5% chance of hitting the 0.2 extension on ES, which would be 0.2 extension would be 583 on ES. So if we break IB high, should expect us to extend to that retracement. So if you're long right now, setting targets for IB high, right? You could set some targets at IB high, but also knowing that there's high chances we go past that and take out the extensions, you can always set limits up there as well. Or break even or taking no trades today. See how the Wolf Pack is trading this morning.
Let's go.
Let's ride.
It's and add.
Fed's views to them said there is a scenario where the economy might require a rate increase. If we don't see disinflation in the next 1 to 2 quarters, that would concern me. Our inflation expectations would also concern me. There was also a scenario that in the second half of the year, we could see growth slow down.
I had to walk away there, sorry.
Nah, you're good.
I was just jumping up and down and punching the air, going like, yeah. Like one of those movies where the guy, like the hero, like wins, it's like a bunch of music starts popping up behind him. That was me.
Okay. Good day. Good
I feel like I'm
day.
in Top Gun, honestly. I just need to ride a motorcycle into the sunset now. Maybe I'll go play some volleyball on the beach.
Now just wait till you actually get to take those payouts. Shit.
Oh, yeah, dude. Well, the best part was 5 of those accounts I was trading with are funded. So that all worked towards, 6 were funded because I already had 1 funded before. Yeah, so that was all towards real payouts.
Nice.
Let's go.
You're trading the Tradeify 50K growths, right?
Yeah, so I have, I just got another one funded, so it's 6 funded total. I have 3 Tradeify dailies, daily flex 50Ks, and I'm going to have 2 50K flexes, the weeklies, and then I have my Lucids as well. Yeah, my idea is like I'm gonna have like 8 dailies and 7 weeklies, and then I'm gonna start doing the apexes.
Okay. Games best and final luck for the 2 harvest stockholders will not pursue a deal at all costs. That's Angle with the Oscar.
Altogether, you can have house fees in all the firms. Like, have 3 with Alpha,
Shares of 2 harbors of falling here.
5 with Trading View or Tradeify, 5 with my funded, 5 with Top Step, 5 with TPT, 20 with Apex, 5 with Lucid. Did I already count that?
Yeah, I don't know, I kind of like the mix between the weeklies and the dailies because you get like obviously with the weeklies you don't have the buffer, which is nice. And being able to kind of get those like kind of slow and consistent payouts with that. Obviously you have the 50% cut, which sucks on some of those things like Tradeify. But then you have like the dailies to kind of fill in the gaps. Like TPT's dailies are like, very loose on the policy payouts there. I know Tradeify is a little bit tighter like with the buffer there. You have like $2,100 buffer with the Tradeify accounts. But once you hit that buffer, you get those 2x payouts, which is really nice.
Yeah.
So I figured, mixing and matching couldn't hurt.
No. I will say for the people that are consistently like taking payouts, be careful with the daily payouts because just a friendly reminder that the more payouts you take, the closer you get to them moving you live. So ideally, you want to be maxing out your payout when taking it because you only have so many chances till they try and move you to live. And if you don't want to move to live, you're going to have to restart the evaluation process.
Are you not a fan of live?
No.
I don't think anyone is, to be honest.
What's the drawback?
I actually don't know, but everyone I hear that trades futures and trades prop firms like 24/7, they do not like live.
Because the
what's
ROI isn't there.
Okay.
The ROI isn't there. You're getting given one account that is way less than the amount that you have when trading 20 accounts or 5 total accounts, or they don't really match it to what you've been trading. So
Wait, so when you move to live, they get rid of all your fundeds?
yeah, you don't have multiple fundeds. You have one account. It's one live account.
Oh, that's lame. I did not know that.
So the trick is don't go live.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I remember Emp used to say like he would literally purposely fail before he went live to just not to have the other account to keep the other accounts.
Yeah, 100%.
It's just all about ROI, and the ROI is not on the live accounts.
Yeah, that's so interesting.
So I still have a live account on my funded features. It's great. It works great. It's just I only got one, and it's only so big.
What's the so? What did they give you the same size live account that you have?
They give you the size of your drawdown. So like on my funded, I was trading at 50K. When I went live, they gave me $2,000 to trade. And that does have a daily loss limit, and that does have, if I lose the $2,000, it's gone.
What the hell?
Max, yeah.
Why would anyone go live then?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, who do you see on social media that is really absolutely killing it with prop firms that's live, like besides like Jade Cap live with Apex and some of these other guys? Like, did your guys that are rinsing prop firms, none of them are live? None of them.
And that's why they also get multiple accounts. They lose the one that goes live, and they already have another 10 that are already, basically funded anyway. Yeah. So what does it matter? You just keep rinsing, repeat, like Jordan said.
In rotation.
Yeah, there you go.
Doesn't I think it's different firm by firm too, but if you lose your live, don't they like put you on probation, for lack of better words?
I think it depends on certain firms. But yeah, I think there's some, I don't know which one specifically because I haven't read up on it too much, but I think like certain ones you can't even get a normal prop account again if you go live with them.
I know that Lucid just started their Lucid maxing thing. Like if you blow your live accounts, then you could just immediately take evals to go back to live. Like you don't have to take the payouts. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're a cool firm. They're also the firm that you can use Code Wolf on.
Let's go. Code Wolf, baby.
I haven't even looked at the charts in a while. I've just been looking at my window. So I'm going to go eat, and I'll catch you guys on the
go get some grub. We'll talk soon.
Oh, yeah, baby. I'll catch you guys. Peace.
Sounds good. Peace, brother.
Now, that has me thinking now. Peace out, man. That has me thinking about direct-to-fundeds now, because so direct-to-funds obviously are more expensive, but you kind of you're shortening that length of time significantly to get those payouts. Obviously, you strict the rules, but
because your consistency is 20% and you can't take a payout and make 3,000. So are you really minimizing?
True. No, you're right. I didn't think about it like that.
Those accounts. That's coming from somebody that loves those accounts, but I also know how I trade, and like 20% consistency I can deal with. But like at 20% consistency on a 50K, that means max $600 a day. $600, you're going to need at least 5 days of $600 green, which is not that much. You can totally do that, but 5 days of $600 green to get to that $3,000 to where you can actually
I feel
start paying out. They're great accounts. I think they're great. It just depends on how you're trading. If you're in positions multiple times throughout the day where you're making way more than $600 per account, might not be the option for you, trading higher R, lower win rate. But if you're trading more of a higher win rate, you're not going to be taking these crazy running moves and trying to make the crazy amount. And you're just going to be consistent taking those profits, then it can work. You know what I mean? And like you say, you do surpass the eval and you're instantly just making money towards your payout. But no matter what, you still got to make 3K before you can pay out. So it's still like going through an eval in a way. It's just once you make the 3K, it's not like you passed. You're eligible to actually make money now, right? And take a payout. So you get what you pay for, right? It's like you pay a little more, cool. Still got to make $3,000, but at least you can take that money out right when you do, and you're just stuck at that 20%.
Ooh, DigiPower up. What is that? 7% today? Let's go. My Bitcoin bag's still hurting. Ow. Pain. So much pain.
For automation accounts. Because I know in automation, I'm usually not going to be hitting these crazy banger days. It's going to be more just consistent, slow cash. And so you never worry about consistency, and you never worry about having to pass an eval either. You just let it grind, and you don't look at it for weeks until you get a notification saying you can take a payout, you know?
Yeah.
Dr. Z,
do this.
while I was talking there, Dr. Z picked out the one thing I said. He quoted, "I only have one, and it's only so big," from Jordan. That's what I said. That's what I said.
Nice. Oklo looking kind of interesting here. If we can break past the 200 EMA on the daily, I like Oklo. If we break past $71 there. I think the nuclear energy play, obviously, you know, it popped off, but it just, I think it's been slept on right now.
And Q trying to take out IB. ES right behind. Oh, baby triple.
Wow, dude. NQ just holding these highs.
We should break high, and then I don't know. I really don't know how much higher we'll go, but we should break high. I don't think we're gonna have a crazy high day.
I can give you some stats on it. If ES breaks higher day, we have a 75% chance we hit the 0.3 extension on ID, which would be 0.3 extension is going to be 588.50 on ES.
Mm.
Also, it's a 75% chance all the way up to the 0.5, and then it drops to 50% chance if we see the 0.6. So 0.5 extension, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even have it on my chart because I usually don't trade those extensions that far. But 593 is 0.4. You could rip over IB high. What's the data on NQ? Is it any different? Probably a little bit. On NQ specific for Thursdays, breaking out of IB to the upside. Yeah, it's even better on NQ. We have an 87.5% chance we would see the 0.4 extension on NQ, which is, I'll give you the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 291. And at that point, if we're hitting 291, might as well just go to previous day highs. All-time high on NQ. So that's the stats if we do break out here.
Nice. What a great day, guys. So I have to get going here. I got to do a interview with an individual. It'll be a lot of fun. Work on some content as well after that. But no, great trading with everyone. All the listeners, thank you so much. Make sure you're retweeting the space. I know Jordy probably said it already, but really, really do appreciate that. Throwing the hundreds up there. Love that. Jordy, great hanging, man. I will see y'all tomorrow. Casey, Knots, Sniper, Alan, everyone. Thank you.
Always a pleasure, brother. And if you guys
Later,
are
brother.
not following Will yet, follow Will. Congrats on your biggest day ever, brother. It's huge. Stoked for you.
Thank you, dude. Thank you. Yeah, literally, I'm not kidding. I was like punching the air. I went back and I was doing the whole like, yeah.
Let's go, man. Keep it up.
Oh yeah, guys. Everyone, peace out.
Peace. Shout out to the crew. If you guys in the audience aren't following the crew yet, follow the gents up here and the ladies that joined us in the morning. I know Minxie wasn't with us, but Amma Jamma joined us this morning. Shout out to her. Follow the Wolf Pack. We're here every single day. We're also live on YouTube all day long. Our boy Ryan is on that live stream right at market open all the way till market close every day. We'll
About to get a new high here, by the way.
Yes, it is. Boom, there's NQ. So watch for extension of IB. Gotta love Edgeful data. What's in play? What's in play? What's in play? NQ. Let's see if ES can take it out.
15.8 at about 5.5%. Still near strong gamer. Local shares to the 150, you'd have 5.5% now at the highest.
Got a new high and instantly came back in a little bit there.
That IB data is beautiful. Played out on NQ. Let's see if it plays out on ES. Still waiting to see if it goes to reach those extensions. Also, for Edgeful data, anybody in the audience, I mean, you guys hear us talking about Edgeful data almost every day. The IB by rejection data that me and MP use is probably the most killer one, where, you know, if the IB low forms first, we expect the high to be taken out first and vice versa, right? You see that data play out today. It's about to play out on ES as we speak. You hit 0.1 extension on NQ there. 0.1 extension had a 100% chance of getting hit based on today's data. In the breakout of IB, 0.2 extension, I believe, has a like 80 something % chance. So already hitting one of the extensions. Love to see it. If your target was IB high, but you can look at that data and see clearly that there's a high chance we're going to go to the extension, why not set your limits at the extension and get a few extra points, right? More money in your pocket. So reminder, you guys can get access to that data if you go to that post I threw up top. There's a post right under it where you can get access to Edgeful data and trade with the same stuff that we're trading with. There's a bunch of videos too, which I never mentioned on the website. There's like literally a video for every little report that they do. So if you don't know what something does, I mean, the education's there. You don't have to go anywhere else for it. So that's pretty cool. I never really talk about that. I would say my most useful tools, which you hear me talk about all the time, are going to be that IB by rejection and the what's in play data. And then in reports, initial balance breakout, I look at that report, but I customize it and I do it to where it's the sub report by levels. And what that allows me to do is go in and I can see day by day. I can do it all weekdays if I want to, or go day by day. So specific to Thursdays, right? I can go in here and see, well, okay, based on IB breakout days, when we break out the high, we have this percentage chance of hitting the extensions, and then vice versa. I can look at the breakdown days. Well, today, if we were to take IB low on ES, there's only a 77.78% chance we hit the negative 0.1 extension, right? So like you get to see these these different data points where
New all-time
break
high
at certain levels. New all-time high?
Yeah, on QQQ, just went over previous day high.
We're done.
We're not over pre-market high yesterday if you're using after hours on a 4-hour chart, but on the daily chart, this is all-time high right here on QQQ.
Gotta hit the 0.2 extension on NQ. That has also a 100% chance of getting hit.
I just got an alert on the hood for me to start taking another trim off.
The 0.3 extension on NQ is 264.25. That has an 87.5% chance of hitting.
I'm taking another contract put off here.
Nice. In this situation, if you are long NQ, I think taking it off right here into the 0.2 extension, majority off, would be solid, and then leaving some runners for these further extensions into previous day high.
70 points away from the 5-minute 9. That's a decent amount.
ES 6 points away from taking out the IB high. Love this data, man. I'm not even in it, but I just love to see this shit play out in front of my eyes, and beautiful. 0.2 extension hit on NQ. That's both extensions that had a 100% chance of hitting have hit.
IWM, new high of day, push in. SPY is just underneath that previous high.
I'm looking for a dip buy. I really wish I got that 60 when I said it, but I stank.
Take it out, ES. And keep trying to reach to that 0.3 extension sitting at 265 or 264.25.
I'm looking for short very soon.
Just let ES take out this IB first. on, GLO. On GLO, Glorilla on it, B. Oh, gold, new high. RT buy, new high. I am trying to follow.
Mama. AMD's popping.
Dizzler.
Looks like I'm not gonna get my short. Maybe I'll get a long then.
I'll be right back.
If anybody has been following along the $10,000 swing account challenge, this is the best challenge account of my entire trading career. I'm notorious for starting challenge accounts, and the first week or two, I lose.
Dude, I'm the same way.
This was the first time where I started a challenge account, and my first trade was green, and then my first week is green. In 2 weeks, it's stupid. I don't think I've ever had this amount percentage gain. In 2 weeks, that $10,000 account is now at $14,527. It's almost up 50% in just 2 weeks of swing trading only. That is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
Hell yeah.
We're going to hit 15K next week to close out. In the first month, being up 50, and then we're going to take it to 20, have it doubled, and then I don't know. I don't know what we do after that. Usually I just double the account, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do after I double it.
You know what you do after you double it?
I do it again.
You triple it.
I have not made the announcement yet on X. I was supposed to send it out Monday, and it's Thursday. So I apologize for the late notice. But I am hosting my next mastermind class this Saturday. So sorry for the 2-day notice. But it is going to be this Saturday. The last Saturday of every month. Is when I usually teach the mastermind class. So I am going to make a post here in the next few hours on that. So stay tuned for that and make sure you have notifications turned on for when I drop the link for it. If you're in the Discord, you already got it last night. You already got the heads up. But I haven't posted on social media yet because I've been slacking. There's been a lot of work in the background this week. Working on some big things. It's not snow.
Let me tell you, he's got some big things. Oh,
we got some big things coming. Oh, pause. Hold on, that sounded weird. But I'm also still waiting for that money to settle into my Tasty Trade account because I still can't trade credit spreads. So I'm hoping it settles tomorrow. That way I can start doing the copy trading on Monday. Because I wanted to start it this week, but I don't know. Tasty Trade is taking 1,000 years. I don't even think they have. and online support. I think I still have to call. So you risk around 2,000 for the small account challenge per trade? Fuck no. That's my position size. Doesn't mean I'm holding that shit till 0.
Yeah. You're funny. All right, come on, come down. Show me my 190. Is anyone there? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, Nike. What a ripper.
Megan, yeah, I was gonna remember for that.
Some Strait of Hormuz line just came out. I wasn't in here, but I heard that, like, I heard it. Oh, did not want to do that. Oh, they're just taking out extensions on MQ. ES still hasn't taken out IBI. Shit. I think it still will though. Unless we're doing a little divergence at Tuesday highs. Maybe.
Love to see Nasdaq push for another low.
GSK, GlaxoSmithKline said nice recommend for talent as they're on treatment for uncontrolled COPD with eosinophilic phenotype in some patients for use in.
Good job, Charles.
That's outstanding.
Sounded like he was like,
He was working through that one a little bit. I was he got it. He got it.
Get it out, get it out.
Gold and silver pulling back a little bit. Crude oil's trying to pop it back to 90 here in back test. APP still ripping, just made a new high day, pulling back slightly, up 5.4% today. DG has also been ripping, up 6%. Ondas going sideways a little bit after the run, but that thing is 20%. Huge move for Ondas.
NEXA next up, hopping here on relatively light volume, the Domenico X-ray alpha.
Hold on 1 second. Let me see. Okay, they're gonna push higher a little bit here. Oh yes.
Geez, NBIS is up 10.5. Some moves. See if ES can take out this IB. Still has not yet.
Okay, we got a higher high again and then rejected again.
Everything's holding structure. It's just slow here. They don't have a whole lot of momentum. It is 11:30 though, so makes sense.
Chevron's CEO Mike Wirth said repair costs for damaged Middle East energy infrastructure could run into the tens of billions of dollars. Says coal consumption is likely to be more robust going forward. Shares of Peabody Energy trading higher. It's going up about 10%, 28.90.
Oh, they're taking it? Oh, they took out IB high. Yes, there we go. Slow mover. You're also hitting 0.3 extension on the IB high that I mentioned earlier on MNQ at 264.25, 265 here. That is the 0.3, which had a 87.5% chance of hitting. Same chances for the 0.4 hitting, which we're getting close to. The 0.4 sits at 291. So watch for NQ to get that same chances. It's the 0.3, 87.5. Once you go to 0.5, chances drop significantly. And this is specifically for Thursdays only. I'm pretty sure I threw the data up top. No, I didn't. I'll throw it up top right now because I just posted it, kind of explaining what I'm saying there. So that's up top now. So, you might not want to extend your targets all the way to the 0.5 extension, which I don't even have that on, but it would be about, here, I can tell you exactly how much it would be. It would be 319.25. There's just not very high chances that we could see that here. Doesn't mean we won't, but still high chances you see the 0.4 on NQ. Love that data. It's awesome. Because again, if you're sitting here and you've been in a long and your target was IV high, obviously that's a phenomenal target, but then you look at this data specific to Thursdays on breakout days, and it's well, there's extremely good chances that we go hit these extensions. Why only target IV high? Why not sit there and say the data, let me trust the data here a little bit and set some limits at these further extensions? Because it just makes sense specific to the day, right?
All right, I'm about to take another trim on Hood. There's approaching $80 target up here. These contracts are about to hit 400. I'm just going to have 2 runners after that, and I don't really care too much about them. I'm just going to let them keep running.
So yes, sir.
The daily, I'm about to put out a post now. The reason why I took the calls actually yesterday, if you look on Hood daily chart, you have a Morningstar reversal on the daily chart. They broke underneath the daily trend line on Friday. They closed underneath of it Tuesday, and they reclaimed it yesterday, closing that Morningstar reversal while building a daily squeeze. We are now back at the top of the range here. So I'm going to be out majority and just in runners up here at 80. After that, I'm going to look for around 81.75 and then up to potentially 84, 85 bucks.
Yeah, I like it. Reminder for the audience, if you guys want a basically free account, if you got an extra $1 to spare and you want to trade on Vest, code WOLF1. It's only going to work if you've never traded on there before, but I know there's probably plenty of people in the audience. I threw that link back up top. $1. Get access to trade 5K. And a reminder, don't just go in there and go crazy and blow it, because you're not on a time limit. So not only are you only paying $1 for the account, but there's no certain time limit that you have to pass it in. Once you buy the account, it's yours, and just take your time. Code WOLF for 50% off for everybody else. Oh, we gotta hit the 0.4. Get it in Q.
Filled on Hood, 400 bucks on the contracts. They're over 80.
Go, go, go. NQ almost there. 291 is the level. I believe I gotta zoom in a little bit more. See. Yeah, 291. Great moves. Just phenomenal. Not you still in those
Condor.
Iron Condor, yeah.
So the Condor I'm in, I'm at my 200% stop. So if it really goes any higher, I'd probably give it another 15 points or something.
Cutter, yeah.
Yeah. And then when we got the spike on the news at around 10:10, 10:15, I sold 30,500 call spreads, which I don't think I have anywhere on those. But my other ones, the call side of the Condor is 360, which are only 150 points away. So that again, little worry. If we get a nice drop though, even if we get a 20 or 30 point drop and just chill for a few minutes. Yeah, exactly. So just waiting here. But yeah, it's like it is at my 200% stop. I'm just watching to see how we react. Now it's back under 200. It's 185.
I don't feel like we have much higher just given these.
I don't either, to be honest.
And the chances, like this 0.4 is really the farthest I see us going, which is just a bit higher on NQ, the 291 area. I would expect us to pull back from there at least a little bit and kind of balance out like you're saying, but we'll see. Hood calls Casey. Let's go.
Yeah, I just put it there at the top in the nest. I did that right up this morning in the gym, actually.
It's amazing.
While I was in a set, just giving people the breakdown because I took them yesterday before the close. But yeah, reclaimed that trend line. And then where that arrow is going to, that candlestick setup is a morning star, and I circled that daily squeeze. I showed my entry yesterday at 258, and I added this morning on those contracts at $1.98, right there off that low, that area of support, right where the stop is. And then, big move right now. Now we're up 70%. So beautiful, beautiful setup and trade today.
Let's go.
Okay, I started a little short here at 286.
Oh, we hit that 0.4 extension on NQ, 291. Look at that.
IWM just made its new all-time high.
Hey.
It just went over previous day high.
10-minute 9 on NQ is 100 points away. 5-minute is 55 to 60. So I started short here.
I don't hate it. I don't expect us to go to this next extension. The chances are much lower.
Price index plus 2.5% annualized in April versus March plus 2.9%.
But I also know how gnarly this market is. So, but getting a nice rejection off that extension so far.
Yeah, I got a starter here at 287. I'll add to like 303, and then my stop will be like 315.
Well, for morning, does it things get onto stream? I did still comment everybody.
Hell yeah, Jordan. Hell yeah.
Second. Yes. It should pop up for you. Comment, go into the YouTube stream, comment Wolf.
There he is.
You guys are coming from the spaces here. They're coming from the YouTube chat.
You were a robot, Jordan.
Was I?
Yeah, we can hear you now, but you were a robot right when you started speaking for a little bit. But you're good now. You're good now.
Well, I'm back.
Yeah, you're good now.
Hopping on the YouTube stream. It's that time of the morning. I threw the link up top for everybody. Comment, not on the post that I made, but go into the YouTube chat and comment Wolfpack so we know you're coming from the spaces or coming from the post I made. But we're gonna wrap it up here. A great day. as always, we're gonna finish it off on the YouTube stream. So come hang with us. We're gonna trade more, hang out, probably argue about something. Me and Emp will. So yeah, so come hang out, have fun with us. It's gonna be a great day.
Sweet.
We appreciate everybody.
Yes, sir. I'll see you guys over there. Great day, guys.
So.
Hell yeah. Yo, drop it. Drop it. Damn. Come on, drop it. Gets to 270. Come on, keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Go, 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 go. Okay, gonna flatten it all here. Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to switch over to the Wolf stream. You guys can watch this from there. I'll catch you guys later.